Come on!
Welcome to Gaming with Life with Sweetybelle. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sweetybelle here and welcome back for another video. So for today, this is going to be a Western drama, no commentary and no mistakes. And here we go.
Chapter 5, The Stone Circle.
Where are you taking me?
To jail.
I assure you, I won't stay long.
You sure won't. They've decided to hang you.
Bastards! Son of bitches! Bastards!
You going to carry on like this for the whole trip, Queen? That whore is already going crazy. If we don't hurry, no one will recognize her anymore.
You're still in my territory! You'll have to...
You're dead! Come on! Come on! Kill them! You're dead! They mustn't get away! No prisoners! Bastards! You're dead! Come on! 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 Kill them! You're dead! Come on! Come on! Bastards! Come on! Come on! Kill them! You're dead! Kill them! You're dead! You're dead! Bastards! Drake! Grab! The reins!
Whoa! Shit.
The old man won't make it. You're next.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yes! Do it! Come on! Shoot! Say your prayers, son of a bitch!
No. The money. We must deliver her alive.
Shit. Shit.
I have whiskey in my pocket.
I'll take you to Graceland. Deliver Queen. And look for a damn doctor.
First a reward.
Yeah, Drake. First the reward. Oh! Hey! Whoa! Hey, are you the law here in Graceland?
Merrill Nace.
I got a delivery.
bastard!
Well, I'll be damned.
It's her.
You've just emptied my till. And that man?
My partner, he's injured. He needs a doctor. I guess the woman needs one too. They want her alive.
We'll lock her up and I'll take you there. Come on, Queen.
Let me go! Don't touch me! Son of a bitch!
This way. Hurry. We have to go this way. I'm here. Yeah, well done. Come closer. A little more. Hurry. I'm here. This way. We got a lot of money, Wade.
Oh yeah, we're getting rich.
We have to go this way. A little more. Come closer. Yeah, well done. Hurry. I'm here. We have to go this way. This way. Come closer. A little more.
Come on. Stay strong, old man.
I wouldn't have managed without you. Hurry. Yeah, well done. I'm here. This way. Come closer. We have to go this way. A little more. Hurry.
The doctor will sort you out.
I've got thick skin, you know. I'm here. This way. Yeah, well done. We have to go this way. Wade, you mustn't leave here without me.
Come on. You just need a rest.
Wade, I order you not to go alone.
Come on. Doctor's waiting for us.
Come closer. Hurry. I'm here. This way. A little more. Doctor, you're needed.
Come on.
The doctor said he'll soon recover. He just needs rest.
Yeah, he was lucky.
Because you were there. Alone, he'd be dead already. Gray Sand is near a very rich mine. That means there's a good saloon where you can rest, and a lot of federal guards keeping watch.
I ain't got time. Hey, There are native territories to the west, right?
Yeah? What do you want to do?
I'm entrusting you my partner, Marshal. I need to get moving. I have a hunt to finish.
You're back. Wait. I was waiting for you.
What does that mean?
Everything burns. See?
I'm in danger.
Not yet. Follow me. You're too close, Wade. You're too close. Wade. See, it's here. It's always been here.
Where have you brought me?
Deep down, my home is here. I can't go away.
What do you want?
We're dead. And now it's over.
Wake up.
Wait, what?
Capture him.
Hey, whoa! What the hell are you doing? Leave me alone!
Get him up.
Bastards!
Come on. You can't hope to camp in our area and get away with it.
Wait. Abraham Harlow.
Yes, this was my name. Those who want me dead still call me that. And you are one of them.
So it is true. The Indians have made you a fool.
Oh, my brothers, calm down.
Yeah. You want to try it again? My hands are free.
He talks like that because he doesn't know.
I know you're a bastard, Abraham.
You know nothing. You think they kidnapped me, don't you? That they scalped my friend after brutally killing him.
You're one of the foremost wanted, Harlow. You have a very high price on your head. You fucked along with these guys. Maybe you were different before, but I don't care.
Yeah, boy. I was different before. I was one of them. A lawman. And then I saw.
Some native whore.
I saw what others like me did. A phony contract. A land that wasn't theirs. The marshals took away children from women and slaughtered them.
Bullshit. Even those government villains wouldn't go that far. All I want is the bounty on your head.
You're stubborn. You don't believe me. Okay, then. You want my bounty, I'll give you a chance to get it. Move away, brothers. If I die, you'll have to submit to this boy's will. Come on. Take what you deserve.
Damn, old man. You still know your stuff. Why didn't you kill me?
You're not a threat to me now. I'll take you to our war chief.
What if I don't want to?
Well, I'd remind you that I haven't forgotten how to use a Colt.
So, you must be the war chief.
I'm Burning Eagle.
Do you have a less ridiculous name?
I once had another one. It's a secret name.
You're so scared of an unarmed white man that you put two bastards out here to guard me.
We know that you're capable of. We did so as a precaution. You know, some people here might take offense and send an arrow through your head.
People out here talk about your injustices. In the end, you kill like the others.
We do it when we feel threatened, like you. Like the government. Our survival spirit is no different from yours.
So, bastards like all of us. Do you have another face as well as a voice? Changes nothing. I can see you.
I think it may change you.
But
This is my face.
you look like my partner.
You should know, Wade.
Wait. No, I didn't tell you my name.
You should know what they called me before, Burning Eagle. Omaris Far. Drake. Drake is my father.
No. No, damn bastard. Don't tell me bullshit.
And I'm not the only Far in this tent.
That's enough! That is enough! You're dead, you scum!
No, leave him to me. Come, my brother. You hear, Wade? You must know the truth.
No, shut the fuck up. Shut up.
I can't.
That's what you lot do. You tell us a load of bullshit.
I have no reason to lie to you, brother.
Don't call me that!
Well, how should I call my father's son?
Drake found me. I ain't got no parents, you son of a bitch. I ain't got no one. He taught me to kill for money. To survive.
Because that suited him, Wade. Drake Farr is a liar. He's told you nothing but lies all your life.
You're a bastard!
You've vented enough. There's only one way to learn the truth. You have to follow me through the trees, now, in the dark.
I ain't going nowhere.
Then they kill you, brother, and you'll never know who Drake Farr is. Bring us horses. Come on, come with me. If you get lost, you won't escape.
Damn it.
Come on. Don't get lost. Follow me, brother. Don't get distracted. The night won't stop us. This way now. Yes, quickly. Come on. Don't get distracted. This way now. Follow me, brother. Don't get lost. The night won't stop us. Come on. This way now. Yes, quickly. This way now. Don't get distracted. Come on. Follow me, brother. Don't get lost. The night won't stop us. Come on. This way now. Follow me, brother. Don't get distracted. The night won't stop us. Don't get lost. Yes, quickly. Come on. This way now. The night won't stop us. Don't get distracted. Follow me, brother. Don't get lost. Come on. The night won't stop us. Don't get distracted. This way now. Don't get lost. Follow me, brother. Yes, quickly. We're here.
What are those stones?
It's a sacred circle. It's a very important symbol for us.
Bullshit. Alone at last. Now I'll kill you and turn back.
You know you won't make it. Without me, you'll be dead by dawn. And we're not alone.
What you want me to do, huh? Did you bring me here to torture me?
Come on. Sit in the center of the circle.
Another one who's fucking.
Now, look at me. Look at me, Wade.
Look at me, Wade.
Look at me, Wade!
What was the flames? Like in the dream. A screaming voice.
It was our mother, Flowing River. She burned alive along with the rest of the house. This burn has been with me ever since. That's why they call me Burning Eagle. I risked dying too, but I was agile, and I made it out.
If all this ain't a fucking trick. Amaris, what happened?
What Abraham Arlo saw too. What is always repeated when my people are around. Drake married Flowing River and was allowed to live with the natives. My mother taught me the traditions, but Drake didn't want her to. He didn't tolerate our culture.
And then?
Then you came into the world. It was the happiest time. One day, the government found an important stock of gold and turned us all into outlaws, just because we wanted to stay in our home. The chiefs organized a secret assault on government forces. Well, Drake revealed everything to the Federals. He wanted a share of the spoils. In return, they gave him a large sum of gold.
It's not possible.
He tried to convince us that his actions were virtuous, that the natives' lives were saved and we would have been rich. Our mother spat in his face. I was full of hate. He beat us both and burned down the house. At that very moment, the Federals attacked.
Why me?
Because you were just a baby. You wouldn't remember anything. And maybe, well, I think he saw you as pure. Because you hadn't started to learn our customs yet. Now, I think you know the truth.
Homer's, I don't believe in circles, symbols, and other crap like that.
I have no reason to lie to you. You're my brother. Come on, let's go to camp.
Alright everyone, so that's gonna be it for this video. So as always, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.